Hello, my name is Avi Nadich. Thank you, Professor, for watching my video, and thank you, classmates, for watching my video. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to do DNA extraction from a strawberry. The reason that we're using a strawberry today is because a strawberry is an octoploid. What an octoploid is, it's when it has 8 sets of each chromosome. Versus, let's say, a human is a diploid, it only has 2 sets of each chromosome. That means it's a lot easier to analyze the DNA. So what I want to talk about before we jump into our experiment is what I have in front of me. I have in front of me a funnel, 30 milliliters of ethanol, of course my strawberries. I have my filter, my stirrer, plastic bag, and also I have my DNA extraction buffer. What my DNA extraction buffer is 1 milliliter of soap, 9 milliliters of water, and 1 tablespoon of salt. So, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take one of our strawberries, and I'm going to cut off this piece, put it in this bag, and we're officially going to start the experiment. Once in this plastic bag, I'm going to pulverize it. I'm just going to go ahead and squish it with my hands so it's nice and mushy. Now that we see it's getting really nice and mushy, what we're going to do is we're going to add our buffer in, the buffer that we have right here. What this buffer is going to do, it's going to dissolve the phospholipid bilayers in the strawberry cells. Go ahead and carefully add this in. Soap made it a little thick. I think that'll do. So I'm going to go ahead and zip it up again and continue pulverizing it for about, let's say, like another 30 seconds to a minute. Get it nice and pulverized. Okay, now, once this is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my funnel, I'm going to put it on top of my tube, take my filter, and I'm going to try to get out about 10 milliliters of my strawberry. Got to be careful right now so it doesn't fall over or anything like that. So I'm going to push it in nice and tight. Carefully open this up. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. I'm going to try to get about 10 milliliters into there. Let's see where we're at now. Go ahead and push it down, give it a nice little push to get a little more. And I'm currently at 10 milliliters. Perfect. So from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ethanol into my strawberry. So right now I have 10 milliliters. I'm going to add another 10 milliliters. So I'm going to put it at 20 milliliters. That's 20. I'm going to put it down just to make sure that my measurement looks all right. So once we've added the ethanol, we see that we have 2 distinct layers. We have a white layer and a red layer on the bottom. What the 2 distinct layers are from is that the DNA is insoluble in water. So what I'm going to do is take my mixing pot and gently stir it. And what we see is that the DNA actually clumped together. You see that substance, that liquidy substance, almost thick like soap? That's our DNA. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I'm really enjoying the class too. We've just extracted DNA from strawberries. If you want, you can go ahead and put this in the freezer, or you could try this experiment also out with bananas or other foods like that. Thank you so much and have a great night.